What is motivating me is that as I'm working on agriculture equipment, every day you face challenges. First of all, it's a challenge. Besides the challenges, we are assembling the different machines, so it's giving you different challenges. So it's motivating me that to see I'm doing something new each and every day. Challenges, yeah. I enjoy to work with the people. As I was saying in the beginning, work with the intelligent people, work with a big company, a trusted company. I'm proud with that. I would say, I think respect is most importantly. When you respect people, it's no matter where you're coming from, no matter how small you are, no matter what race you are, respect, it's very, very important. That's all I can say. Okay, thanks for your time.
In this company, my benefit is I have a medical aid. If I'm sick, I go to doctor. If I don't have the money, I don't have a problem about that. I take my medical aid, go to doctor. And my kids have a bursary. If they finish grade 12, they go to learning about agriculture and other benefits. I have a pension fund. If I'm getting old, that pension fund will help me. I have a lesson now I'm doing with this lesson. Here, there's an office with a computer doing study. I'm busy with a computer. Every 4 days a week and 2 hours a day I'm doing it.
Seeing farmers using our products and the products that give more to the country in South Africa because they feed their animals so we can get meat. Our equipment are being valued in South Africa. Wherever I go in the provinces, when I see Jupidex implement works in the farm, I enjoy it a lot. They say we are stronger together because we got like fathers here, we got old men, we got young, so you get to learn. If you have a problem, you'll go to this elder to advise you and then you'll be on your way. I'm still going far with Jupidex. I've worked in other companies before, but here you get to learn main work, how to use some tools, and we are safe. I would love to say to the team Jupidex, because we are stronger together, so we can keep up and hold each other's hands. It's other which color, you are white, you are Indian, you are brown color, all as one, and be strong together. See ya phambili Jupidex, we are going forward.